everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds, and I am back in my classroom, and it's echoing in here like crazy because it is bare. I wanted to take you through how we're going to be setting up the classroom in step-by-step in different videos, but each one is going to sound a little bit like this because, again, nothing's on the walls. We don't have anything on the shelves yet. We're just getting started, getting our classroom ready for back to school. So bear with the echo because I want this to be realistic on how our classroom looks right now. We do have one thing on the wall, and that is our classroom tree. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that 2 years ago when I first got this classroom, there was a wonderful tree in this space, and I left it there, and it got so many compliments. Everyone loved that tree. And then last year, the church that our preschool resides in did a remodel. And so they wanted everything off the walls because they painted everything. And I was a little hesitant to hang anything on the wall because everything was so fresh and new. So I did not have a classroom tree last year. And I will tell you, I missed it. The whole year it felt like something was missing from my room. And so over the summer, the church had their vacation Bible school, and we noticed that they had created these trees all down the hallway of the church. And I knew those trees were going to be coming off the wall, and so I thought, oh, it's my opportunity to have a tree in the classroom again. So I asked, and they said, yes, you can recycle it and put it in your classroom. So it's up on the wall, as you can see. And I have shared the photo of this tree on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and I have gotten so many compliments. In fact, it's probably the most popular picture on my Instagram account. That picture right there of a tree. So I've been asked, how is it made? And I'm gonna show you. I have one here that they've made, and I thought I would just show you what they did. This was they made this, the creators that did the artwork and the designs for Vacation Bible School. So I'm just taking what they did and showing you that the first thing is they took a box and they traced branches, the trunk, all of that, they traced it, and then they cut it out. And I like this because I've made trees in the past and I've never backed it on cardboard. This is why we were able to move it, because it was on this. And then what they did, once the cardboard was cut out, they took brown paper and they wadded it up so it had some texture, and they just glued it to the cardboard. So that's how you see how you get the trunk and the branches. And then what they did for the leaves, and I thought this was pretty clever, they just took some poster board, cut it, kind of looks like a cloud shape, and then they took tissue paper, colored tissue paper in 2 different colors, darker green and lighter green. They crumpled it up, wadded it up, and they then glued it to the poster board. Again, all of this made it so much easier for us to just take it off the hallway wall and put it on our classroom wall. So that is how easy it is to make a classroom tree. You just need to have a cardboard box and some brown paper and then some poster board and then some tissue paper. And I've asked, where do you get the tissue paper? I'll drop a link. You can get it in Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description. And you can also get it at, I'm pretty sure most craft stores would carry tissue paper. It's very easy to find. So there you have it. And we have put it up on our wall, and I'm not sure yet if we're going to make it into a family tree where we put the children's family photos up there. We haven't quite decided that yet. This is all so new, but I just wanted to pop in and explain how the tree was made since so many of you have asked. So that is all we have really in the classroom right now. I need to get going and get some stuff put in this room. Thanks for watching.